Hello, Mid-American region. This is Amy Stack, your regional tech trainer, and I am here to show you some exciting updates that came out to websites this week. So you can actually add a few different things to your website in just a couple clicks. Things like download my app, or find out your home value, or even mortgage calculators. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. You'll log into Command, and you'll come all the way over to the last applet on the left and click that website button. And we're going to select Manage Website. From here, you should see a new button that says Create Page on the left-hand side. And you can see that there's currently 4 templates available in here. So we have Download App, Mortgage Calculator, Home Valuation Tool, and Why Work with KW. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Download App one and hit Create Page. I think we're up to 5 clicks at this point. I can choose to rename the title of that page if I want to, or I can leave it exactly as it is. You'll notice there's a little note here that you can go into expert mode to access additional pages and settings, but you don't actually have to do that to add this page to your site. So I can go ahead and hit Publish. And now that page is going to be added to my website. So it will appear right in this drop-down button right there where it says download the app. So if I wanted to change that, maybe I want to download my app or your team's name, you can just type that right in there and hit Publish, and it will update that. And then everybody that looks at your website will be able to access this information so they can get your custom branded app right on their phone. So let's count those clicks real quick. I'm going to close without publishing. So we're in Command. Click 1 is Websites. Click 2 is Manage Websites. Click 3 is Create Page. Click 4 is the template you would like to select. Click 5 is Create Page. Change the name if you want to. Click 6 is Publish. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So in 6 clicks, you can have a beautifully created new page that you can add to your website. So reach out to your local leadership teams or tech trainers if you've got more questions about that. But I thought this was a really cool little tip that you guys would want to know about. I'll see you later.